Saturday morning fabrics, my favorite. Let's show them to you. Several of them are Oscar de la Renta, and I'll point those out. This first one is a linen, 100% linen, reversible linen. It's actually woven to be reversible. It's stunning. It's almost like there's something in between, but there's not. It's just really beautiful. It is 100% linen, absolutely gorgeous. I put it in because it just blends beautifully with this. This is also an Oscar de la Renta. This is a kind of a bluey denim-y. If you look at that pattern, it's just lovely, just beautiful. It comes fused already. Apparently they fused it, and they fused the whole bolt. So the fusing is already done for you. And again, not a lot of yardage, but it's just gorgeous. The texture, I just wish you could feel that texture. It's just really beautiful. And then this Oscar de la Renta is a milk color, I'm going to call it, ivory. Look at the texture on that. It is really stunning. It's again kind of got a layer in between, and not a lot of this fabric, but it's beautiful. A little jacket, skirt would be really stunning. This one also Oscar de la Renta, a black and white, and yet, so this goes with this, and the black goes with the milk as well. It's a milk color, not a white that's in here, and then I put the black on this side of it. But this is just a striated. I just think that's lovely. Just got a great hand. Again, beautiful for a jacket, skirt, or dress, like a sheath would be very nice. And then we have this a cotton poly. These are cotton poly, but I think it's because of the fusible. I think this is probably 100% cotton, but it burns, I think, because of that fusible. So this is 100% cotton. This is a stretch woven. I mean, just a beautiful black piece. The drape on this is incredible. It handles so well. Just lovely. And then this last piece here, and this is something that we're seeing it all over, and it's just really hard to find, is this eyelet, and it's a dual border eyelet. Let me get it on the right side for you. So I'm going to show you one end, but it's the same on both ends. So it's 100% cotton. It's a dual border eyelet, border edge, whatever you want to call it, and it's the same on both sides. So it's the border itself is about 12 inches by the time you go all the way to the last of it. So 12 inches, it's about 56 inches wide. So you've got 2 inches of border, 12 and 12 is 24. You've got about 40 inches in between, roughly. All right, I think beautiful. So happy Saturday, happy weekend from Silhouette Patterns. Happy sewing.